Everyone is waiting eagerly for coronavirus vaccine. But do you know that a successful vaccine takes 10 years or maybe longer to get complete? Hello friends, I am Dr. Khushbu and welcome back to all of you on my channel Medical Library. In today's video, we will know the how vaccine works and about the clinical trials of vaccine. Friends, let's know how vaccine works. After injecting a vaccine in our body, what happens in our body? A vaccine works by presenting certain pathogen, that means a weak form of virus, to the immune system. Traditionally, these antigens, that means these weak viruses, are in a weakened or inactive form and hence they are not able to cause illness in our body. But when we inject this inactive form of virus in our body, our immune system is able to recognize the antigen, that means a weak virus, as an unwanted foreign invader. And whenever your body recognizes that these viruses are as foreign invader in our body, it's starting forming antibodies against it, and also allowing it to remember the pathogen in case it tries to infect you in the future. The antibodies you have built up will then attack the viruses before it is able to make you unwell if you are exposed to it in the future. So guys, this is how vaccine works in our body. If you want to know more about types and history of vaccine, you can watch my videos on what is vaccine. Links are available in description. Now let's move further and know about the process of vaccines which take 10 years to get complete. So let's begin. Even with our best effort at social distancing and self-isolating, there's still been more than 1 million people infected. Everyone is waiting eagerly for vaccination of coronavirus. Then why it is taking too much time to get complete? Well, vaccine should be safe and effective because vaccines are given to millions of healthy peoples, including children. Every licensed and recommended vaccine goes through years of safety testing. This testing is done by healthcare professionals. The purpose of this testing is to assess vaccine safety in a large group of people. For that, they need healthy volunteers. Before vaccines introduced to human, it should be approved by Food and Drug Administration and for the use by Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Now, before moving on human trials, vaccines are first tested in animals rather than in humans. Now let's know what are the phases in the development of the vaccine. The development of vaccines include two phases, preclinical phase and the clinical phase. If we talk about preclinical phase, the preclinical phase include two techniques, vitro techniques and vivo techniques. Vitro techniques meaning a study or research that's done in a test tube rather than in human or animal. And if we talk about vivo, then the vivo means experiment that is carried out in animals or any organism. All this research and development are carried out in a labs. Preclinical phase also include details of vaccine development and production and also animal testing data. The clinical development of the vaccine in human has 3 trials. The number one trial is for testing to assess whether the vaccine is safe in human or not. Also, this phase takes several months to years to get complete, maybe around 6 to 10 years. Also, first trial involves around 20 to 100 participants, and these participants must be healthy. After the first trial, the vaccine has to pass a second trial. Second trial include what dose work best and what time is best to give this vaccine. Also to assess vaccine's ability to produce its desired effect in the target population. It's around maximum 2 years to get complete. Now third trial. After this trial, the vaccine is able to get introduce itself into the world. This trial includes safety and efficacy of the vaccine and also sufficient data to demonstrate that this vaccine is safe and effective for humans. This trial also includes FDA approval, which is approved by FDA. So guys, all this process, whether preclinical phase, clinical trials or FDA approval, takes several months to years to get complete. So this is how the vaccination process takes too much time than we are expecting. But due to its urgent demand, development of COVID-19 vaccine is being on fast track. And also scientists say that it will take about 12 to 18 months to get complete. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आज का मेरा ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो, सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।